Welcome to our roundup of the best Shark vacuum cleaners. Whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or everyday messes, finding the right vacuum can make cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient. In this video, we've selected top-rated Shark models that combine powerful suction, lightweight maneuverability, and advanced filtration to keep your home spotless. We'll break down each vacuum's key features, including attachments, multi-surface performance, ease of use, and versatility, so you can choose the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. From heavy-duty uprights to ultra-light stick vacuums, we've got every type covered. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and options. Let's dive in and find the ideal Shark vacuum cleaner to make cleaning effortless and stress-free. The first on the list is the Shark Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. The Shark Lift-Away Upright Vacuum is designed for homeowners who want powerful suction, lift-away versatility, and anti-allergen filtration. Its lift-away feature allows you to detach the canister for portable cleaning, making it easier to reach stairs, upholstery, and tight corners. The vacuum delivers consistent, strong suction on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring deep cleaning without multiple passes. Its anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a HEPA filter traps dust, pet dander, and allergens, making it a smart choice for families or allergy sufferers. The vacuum also comes with a range of attachments, including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and pet power brush, giving you flexibility to tackle messes in every part of your home. Overall, the Shark Lift-Away Upright Vacuum provides a powerful and adaptable cleaning experience for those looking for reliable home maintenance. Next up is the Shark Detect Pro Lift-Away ADV Bagless Upright Vacuum. The Shark Detect Pro offers intelligent floor detection, advanced lift-away design, and LED dirt detection. Its intelligent sensors automatically adjust suction between carpets and hard floors, ensuring optimal cleaning power without any manual settings. The built-in LED lights help illuminate hidden dust and debris, making it easier to tackle dirt in dark corners or under furniture. The lift-away functionality adds portability for above-floor cleaning, stairs, and hard-to-reach areas. This vacuum features Duo Clean technology with a dual brush roll system, allowing smooth transitions from hard floors to carpeted surfaces. The anti-allergen complete seal and HEPA filtration system capture 99.9% of dust and allergens, providing healthier air quality in your home. Its bagless design and easy empty dust cup allow for convenient maintenance, while the swivel steering enhances maneuverability around furniture and obstacles. While it is slightly heavier than standard uprights, the Detect Pro's smart sensors and powerful suction compensate by making cleaning more efficient. The slightly higher price tag is justified by its advanced floor detection and LED dirt sensing, which can significantly reduce cleaning time. Overall, the Shark Detect Pro Lift-Away ADV Bagless Upright Vacuum is an excellent option for those seeking a high-tech, versatile vacuum that adapts to multiple surfaces. Next, we have the Shark AZ3002 Upright Vacuum. The Shark AZ3002 offers powerful suction, anti-allergen filtration, and multi-surface cleaning. Designed for everyday cleaning, this vacuum excels at picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair across carpets, rugs, and hard floors. Its HEPA filter and sealed system effectively trap allergens, making it suitable for homes with pets or sensitive occupants. The wide cleaning path and high-capacity dust cup reduce the number of passes needed to clean large areas efficiently. The AZ3002 includes a range of attachments for crevices, upholstery, and dusting, allowing targeted cleaning of furniture, stairs, and delicate surfaces. Its swivel steering enhances mobility around obstacles, and the corded design guarantees consistent suction without interruption. Overall, the Shark AZ3002 Upright Vacuum provides dependable suction, allergen control, and versatile cleaning power for any household. Next is the Shark Power Detect Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum. The Power Detect Stick Vacuum stands out with ultra-lightweight design, powerful suction, and dirt detection technology. Weighing just over 5 pounds, it's easy to maneuver, carry, and store, making it ideal for quick cleanups and apartments. The Power Detect sensors automatically detect hidden dirt and dust, ensuring a thorough clean without missing particles. Its corded design ensures uninterrupted suction across large areas without worrying about battery life. Despite its compact size, this stick vacuum offers impressive suction for carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The multi-surface brush roll adapts easily to different floor types, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use. The vacuum also comes with a crevice tool and dusting brush for precise cleaning of corners, upholstery, and other hard-to-reach surfaces. The vacuum is not ideal for deep cleaning thick carpets, and its smaller dust cup requires more frequent emptying. While corded, the attached power cord can limit mobility in very large spaces. Nevertheless, the Shark Power Detect ultralight corded stick vacuum's combination of lightweight handling, smart dirt detection, and strong suction makes it an excellent tool for quick, efficient cleaning. Overall, it delivers a balanced mix of performance and portability for everyday tasks. The last one on our list is the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum. The HV322 Rocket Pet Plus is perfect for pet owners looking for pet hair removal, ultra-lightweight maneuverability, and versatile cleaning attachments. This stick vacuum is lightweight and easy to use, making it ideal for quick pickups and multi-level homes. Its pet power brush excels at removing hair from carpets, rugs, and upholstery, keeping homes clean and free of stubborn pet hair. The vacuum features a strong suction system capable of tackling fine dust and debris on both hard floors and carpets. The included crevice tool, dusting brush, and extendable reach make it easy to clean stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. Its bagless design and easy empty dust cup simplify maintenance, while the swivel steering allows smooth navigation around furniture. While it may not replace heavy-duty uprights for large areas, its lightweight design and specialized pet tools make it perfect for targeted cleaning tasks. Frequent users will appreciate its easy storage and portability, and the corded power supply ensures consistent suction without running out of battery. Overall, the Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus corded stick vacuum combines pet-focused performance, lightweight handling, and practical attachments, making it the ultimate choice for pet owners seeking convenience and efficiency. So, that's it for our roundup of the best Shark vacuum cleaners. From powerful uprights like the Liftaway and Detect Pro to versatile sticks like the Power Detect and Rocket Pet Plus, each model delivers unique features to suit different cleaning needs. Whether you prioritize deep cleaning, allergen control, pet hair removal, or lightweight convenience, these Shark vacuums cover all bases. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your life hassle-free.